Hey guys, what's up? In this short step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can change the font for all of your slides for your presentation on Google Slides. It is super simple, so what you want to do, guys, is click on Slide here at the top menu and select Edit Theme from that drop-down menu here. And after that, select the master theme, which is the uppermost theme here, so left-click on it. And now let's start, for example, with the font of the slide's title. So we can do that by simply left-clicking on the title here, and by applying a custom font, for example, that one here. And if I do that, guys, all my slides will have that font in their title. And now simply repeat the same process for any other text boxes in your slides. For example, the first level text boxes, simply click on first level here in that menu, apply a font, and there you go. As you can see, all my slides will have that font in their first level text boxes, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.